Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a traveler's notebook layout titled Sunshine in the Garden. I'll be scrapping this photo and I'm working with a digital scrapbook kit like Sunshine by Misty Hilltops Designs, which is a freebie on my blog, MistyHilltops.com. And this layout is based on the sketch number 16, which is a silhouette cut template that will be available as freebie at MistyHilltops.com. There are a number of freebies available for download, so if you haven't done it, go check it out, MistyHilltops.com. Now, something happened here with my layout where I realized, or with my project as I was working on it, I realized that the camera had turned off after just a few seconds. So I already finished my first page and now I'm on to the next page. So sorry if you can't see the first part or couldn't see the first part, but I thought I'm just going to finish it off on camera since I already had everything set up. So the first part was very straightforward anyways. It was just arranging the bits and pieces there, the papers and the photo and the elements. And this page was a little more fun to work with because I decided to have a little torn piece just ripped from the background paper. Now this is just some craft paper that I have from one of my notebooks. It's just really pretty thin paper that I cut to the notebook size. And because it was pretty much the same color as the papers in the kit, but I didn't have to print and use a lot of ink on that. So I just decided to use simple craft paper that I have at home. So I put a piece of paper from the kit underneath on the background, and then I ripped away or tore away a little triangle there. And I wanted to, on purpose, to make it look a little uneven and stuff. So the template, the freebie template does come with a triangle cut into if you don't want to tear by hand, but obviously tearing by hand is just gives the page a nice little extra something there. So I wanted on purpose to have it cut by or torn by my hand. And now I'm adding a little stamped title there, and it says Sunshine in the Garden, the way that this layout is titled. And I'm always struggling to get the words straight if I'm stamping individual letters, especially because for the camera I try to stay a little further away and have the page centered where the camera is, but I don't actually mind if it's not perfectly straight. I do like the little imperfections that come with stamped things. I could easily print and cut a title if I wanted perfection. So anyway, I'm finishing off this stamping here, and then I haven't really glued down the flower that I cut with my silhouette up the top there. The leaves are from one of my die cuts that I have, a sunflower die cut. It's just a little bigger than this one, and last time I used it, I felt it was taking too much attention away from the page, so I used my silhouette to cut a smaller sunflower shape, and then the leaves are still pretty cute because they do have some etching in there and stuff. So now I can glue down the flower. I didn't want to glue it down before I did the stamping because I wanted space and room for the stamping there in case the stamping didn't work out perfectly. I wanted to avoid that. And then I have this little, like, they're just scattering pieces. I got them for a card making kit, but they perfectly work. The color theme perfectly works with this the kit that I'm using. It's a digital kit there, like Sunshine. You can find it on my blog. It's a freebie. Just go and download it if you like it. And so here I'm gluing down the little bits and pieces, and my glue works pretty well. I can glue pretty much anything, I've discovered. So I try to stay away from hot glue because it makes the page much more bulky if I use hot glue, and then it's more messy and stuff. So here I can just rub it, like if some glue gets on my fingers, I can just rub it off and continue working, and nothing gets messed up, and I use a little toothpick to help me put this on there, especially those little dots that are some bling there, and they're easy to pick up with my finger, but then to place them back I use a toothpick. I just place it on the toothpick with a glue on there, and then put it where I want it to go. And then here comes the last flower, and I still want to give the center there a little bling as well, because the center has a little hole, and so that's the last of that there. So this is another layout for my mom's garden notebook, and so it documents the things that she grows in the garden. And then I have a couple more word strips that I also am sharing on my blog, and I'm deciding where I want to put them, and then I decide to put them with each of the flowers that are scattered around the page. And actually afterward I still added a few more word strips there, just because I thought it would make the page look a little fun, a little whimsical. And yeah, so this is my page. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave you with some close-ups. Please consider giving this a thumbs up if you liked it. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.